Something like fucking life.
Oh, for me, so.
So Satan, with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about,
People, they go prank her or provoke her wicked, to me. I tell her a bag of things and really, see me. Yeah, you know, kind of dark still, you see me, so don't even know how I'm going to do it, but I try a thing, I see it. Eh? Huh? Come for your coffee, man.
Alright, there's a paper bag on the basket, so don't take it out of my
Where?
You probably put your pants on that. And you can cross.
So I told you there.
But once I get drive, so the $200 pay my fare come home.
What's this?
The $200? $100 that come from Crossroad and $100 that come up from town. You know, this is no more money in my bag? $400, you give me $500 and this one and pay for me every day together.
You never stop paying that.
Oh, the 100.
You're lying?
No. The girl came yesterday, so I get the driver to post office yesterday again.
Yesterday again?
Yeah, let me show you videos.
They go post office again?
No, you see me go post office, go collect some of them?
Yesterday go post office B.
Yesterday.
And yesterday go post office.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Today hour.
Thursday.
And you go post office yesterday?
See them, man? As evidence. See them, man? See if you video, yeah?
Where you call it?
Something. You never watch it, you know?
See, you're lying, no?
No, I'm telling you, I got more. See them? You collect that? I'm going to show you how I collect it. I want you to see it.
Listen, you know what? Tell me, say I go post it to your office yesterday.
I told you that Mr. Olin called me and told me that package is there and I wanted to go to the post office. Remember?
No, me never agree on the post office.
Billy, stop my look like a lie, me I tell you. Please, me I beg you. Because me tell us the man tell me. So the man tell me say more things in the blood for me, you know? But we never planned to go yesterday. We planned to go today, Thursday.
So 2 times go post office now.
Yeah, me go collect. Remember say me go collect them, yeah? Last week. And this week we collect them then last
so
week.
when you collect them there?
Why when what?
Why when you collect them there we're not talking, we're not dialogue, so
Really?
yeah,
You know, listen to me. I don't know the start of recording rats. Anytime I have a conversation,
fucking like that
as
is
God if I hear you right, just so I'm not telling you no lie.
fucking lie.
Father God, if me I tell you lie, me ask you to forgive me. No, me not tell you no lie. I tell you that.
That man I heard.
Man. Whoa. Man.
That man I heard.
Man.
Man I get money I heard, you know?
You must know man I give money already. They said, this is the bus fare that they give me this morning.
So why?
I'm going to get the drive come home. So the extra $200 back at death. I may make people feel my mouth in here.
Something like fucking lie.
Oh, for me a son.
Lie.
Oh, for me a son.
Lie.
Oh, for me a son. Must say. You love to, me say, me not tell no lie, believe. It's $500 this morning, but pay your fare and $100. See the video has evidence? Come, I can't bother with you. I say the same thing when I in an argument a while ago.
Jason will come in and ask me, you tell me, say, sit down by way, and back on me, only way put.
Jesus.
So explain that now.
Billy.
Wow.
I'll say again to me tell us say about you come in here come sit down and me scratch it and it will like wheel up and me put that. How would this man?
Did you add to your body?
Yes, so
Scratch it.
Me I show it a while ago when me come in.
Martin, scratch it. Martin, scratch it.
Don't ask me no question. To rascal.
Martin, if you scratch it, I look scratch.
Obviously.
Like it scrape up like somebody else. Obviously.
Who fi squeeze my body? Something wrong with you?
The man that will bring me home.
Which man they will bring me home? The fucking time about man I bring me home. You see my body I bring me home. Yes, we get jive till they come home and chef bring me home. What is the problem?
I get jive during the week.
Which during this weekend them much time to tell you.
So tell me say you have the money.
What?
You tell me say you have the money.
What that
Hey,
shit them?
one thing you do, you fuck you line up that class, right? Yo, yo.
The last
Sometimes,
time
yo,
tell you.
that one of the worst girl ever because I'm not telling you.
Fire about worse girl and move.
One of the worst girl ever because I'm not telling you.
Fire about worse girl and move.
One of the worst girl ever because I'm not telling you.
Fire about worse girl and move for us. Where key?
The fuck you boxing for? The fuck you boxing for? Bear. Bear, a prank bear.
What?
A prank bear.
Fucking liar.
So you boxing so you boxing for?
Don't disrespect me there,
Eh? So you boxing for?
What half at this now go?
Hey, why? It's upon me box you. Eh? It's upon me box you. The whole world that come down for
My
me.
face shining, not going up.
Why? But you have fling box for man though.
Supposed to.
People anyways, big up on herself. You see me? Because she can't mind she eat, you see it, but she have fling box man. Face and look at her swell. See that shit? You see me? So, hashtag Team Billy in the comment section down below. You see me? Bells TV with another prank. You never see it, you see me? Them prank that we are come with, you see me? We are up the game. So out.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.